Welcome children. Today we will discuss a new topic. Okay, let us consider this plane. This is a plane, right? And there are infinitely many points lying on this plane. Not 1, 2, 100, 1000. There are infinitely many points. I am going to select one point. Okay, selected a fixed point. Let it be there. And now I am going to select more points which has a property like this, which keeps equal distance from this point. Okay, I am going to select those points which keep equal distance from this P. So, say the distance is B. So, here I selected one point and there are many points near to this which keeps equal distance at P. Okay, so here also. Then if I collect all such points, I'll be getting, these are the points, I'll be getting a figure, a round figure like this. So, when I draw this, all the points which keeps equal distance at P is a circle. So we define circle in a new way, right? What is a circle? It's a collection of points which keeps equal distance from this fixed point. Now you know very well what is this fixed point is called. The fixed point is called the center. And you also know that the fixed distance now we consider, that is the radius of the circle. So the fixed distance is radius. Okay, so we defined circle in such a way that it's a locus of points equidistant from a single fixed point. So now OC is the radius, O is the center. Now children, if I run through this part, the total part, this is the circumference of the circle. Perimeter of the circle is called as the circumference of the circle. Now if I take a part of the circumference, okay, ABC, this part of the circle, this is called the arc. So arc ABC. And now the other part, ADC. It is ADC. So the part of the circumference is called as the arc of the circle. And when we consider this arc ABC and the arc ADC, which is the greatest, ADC, right? So we call the second one as the major arc and the first one as the minor arc because it's smaller than when we compare to the other. Now the next topic. The region bounded by this arc. Okay, this is an arc. Minor arc. This is the major arc. Okay, so let us consider this minor arc and these are the two endpoints of this minor arc. Correct, no? Arc APB, which is the endpoints of the arc APB, A and B. I am joining this line. So these are the two radii of the circle. So the region bounded by these two radii and this minor arc. So look at a region like this. That is what we call as the sector. Children, since it is the minor arc and this is the major arc, so this will be the major sector and this will be the minor sector. Okay, so what is a sector? It's a region bounded by the arc and the radius. Now the next point. A chord AB. So now I am going to consider the part of the circle bounded by the arc and the chord. Okay, the part of the circle bounded by the arc and the chord. So here is the chord and here is a part, here is the arc. So the part of the circle bounded by the arc and the chord is called segment. This is called segment. Now, not only this segment, this is also a segment because this is also the part of the circle which is bounded by the arc and the chord. So this is also called as the segment. But you know, this is a major arc and the chord. So we call this as the major segment, and this is a minor arc and the chord. So we call this as the minor segment. Okay, so this is the major segment, and this is the minor segment.